Already?
Yes, 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes? No worries. How was your breakfast?
Good.
Good?
It was really good, yeah. Pretty good.
Do you know the mountain behind you?
Whoa. I didn't do that.
Guess, you can guess.
Tree?
Yes, you're right.
Wow.
The left one.
Extra points.
Okay, get ready, okay? 5 minutes. So today is rest day for our trekking. Hello, how are you? Good? Good. So this is the Manang. It's very beautiful. You can say city or village in Annapurna circuit area. So now we are going to hiking till to the viewpoint. So in the Manang, so there is lots of options to enjoy around. So the most attraction of the Manang village is like a Manang Culture Museum and some of the very ancient monastery around the cliff. We can see from here as well. It takes 2 hour hike up to reach there. However, we can see very scenic mountain view from there, definitely. And furthermore, there is one small movie center just back of the North Pole Hotel, so where we can see some adventurous movies, some cultural movies there. It costs 500 rupees for the foreigner, and they serve with popcorn and tea as well. And this is the Manang Culture Museum. It is just 100 rupees for the foreigner to visit over here. And this is the old piece money, okay? This is what I talked about yesterday. Old piece money. It was established in 1991, and the current structure is from 2017. So today we are going to hike up to the Chunga viewpoint. Today is our acclimatization day, beautiful day. So we're walking towards the Akarkar or City Karkar as well. After we walk almost 5 to 10, around 8 minutes, so we left main trail to the Thoranga Pass and we turned left towards the Chungar viewpoint. Once we turn the left, we just walk downward in the stone stairs. So then we saw beautiful valley behind the Manang village, the river valley. It's really beautiful. Can see the mountain there for sure. The road, the trail was like concreted, though the walking was beautiful. So villager, they're working on the field. Actually, they're planting the potatoes. So I also decided to enjoy over here with our client. And this is how they blow and they plant the potatoes here. Potatoes are very delicious food. They grow in the mountain. No need, the plow machine will cover that one. Okay. You just put quicker. Quick, you need to earn more money. Per hour, $20. Yeah, okay. Hopefully they're enjoying over here. So they love to do it, and we just enjoyed for a few minutes. 10 to 15 minutes there. So once we get experience with planting the potatoes. So we keep walking toward the Chunga viewpoint, so we can see beautiful valley with river. So once we cross that that very fertile land, we start to walk up to the Chunga viewpoint, gradually up, and there's lots of loose stone for sure. Yeah, that was very tough, but the view make us more easier to go up and up. It is really good ideas to do this hiking to acclimatize before we go up to the Tilicho base camp or even Turungla Pass. This is the first acclimatization hike during our Annapurna circuit trek. Actually, this is only one day when we do the acclimatization process over here. This is the Chunga viewpoint. From here, we can see beautiful mountain around, including Manang Valley. This is the one of the beautiful and most scenic viewpoint in this trekking area. Once we spend the time, then we keep walking down to our hotel back for the night.